video I'm going to show you how to download and install templates. So when you click on the link, it'll take you to this. Now what you've got to do is right click on here, hit download, and this should come up saying preparing download. Just waiting for it to download. Oops. What I'm going to do is just move this over. Okay, once that's done, you should see this something like this pop up. Go ahead and put save as, and it should come up with another window. There we are. It's a little slow today. Anyways, so I'm just going to put it in my downloads folder, hit save. Okay, now once that's done, hit open folder, or just open up wherever that file is. So for me, it's opened up here. Right click, and I need to extract these files. Go open, and just make sure where you're extracting it. So I'm going to hit extract all. Once it's extracted, right click, copy, and then we're going to go into the DSLR, going to go into where the images are stored, and then what we want to do is right click over here and hit paste. And just wait for it to copy. You're going to get this as well going, what would you like to do? And you want to replace the files in the destination. That's if you want a clean copy. If you want to leave the remaining templates you've got there, then you just hit skip. So once that's copied, what you want to do is go into DSLR booth. Still want to copy, come on. There we go. Go into DSLR booth. Go into templates. Now, because I've got multiple windows opened, let's actually open this on another screen. So I'm going to drag and drop that here. Okay, so now if you click on that, it should drop down with all the different templates. So there you go. So I've got all my different templates here, and that's ready to go. Alright, have fun.